I just want to show you what I've achieved in the kitchen today. Since you said to me that you don't like eating foods that you don't like, you're not used to. So I, as an African lady, I decided to do something good for you, African men.
Hola, hola. I wanna see.
So,
What is
cooking
my
in
wife?
Doha for the first time, I was able to achieve this.
Wonderful.
Chicken,
Wow.
of which I know is
Wow.
your favorite. You are going to enjoy it.
Yes, baby.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then I was able to achieve.
Yo, this is called Saza.
Okay,
Saza
wow.
in Africa, but now Saza in Doha, in Qatar.
Okay, Saza, I haven't cooked the Saza, sorry, but we are going to cook rice today, like you said.
Thank you. Yo, I wonder how does it taste, baby. This is wonderful.
Doha, cooking in Doha, guys, for the first time, we have improved. Jesus, we have improved.
Hola. Go Doha. Go Qatar. Go Qatar. Go Qatar.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm blessed, I'm blessed.
Ach.
I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. In the name of Jesus.
Jesus.
Yes, I'm blessed.
Ay, you got a one more year so baby. What's wrong with now? What's wrong? Hey.
Voila, Masatan.
Hola.
What? That is.
Hola.
Hey, I'm done.